Ayo, what it do? What's Gucci YouTube? It's your favorite mentor back again, guys, with another banger, guys. So as you guys see, we're gonna be talking about CPI, guys. Gonna be talking about CPI. What are we looking forward to seeing on CPI? As you saw, we're gonna be looking at gold in US30, right? So we're going to be starting with US30. So we're just going to move down or upward to our daily time frame to see what's happening. So let me just refresh the chart. You see, before we get into this video, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys know the vibes. You guys know what it is. Let's get it. Let's go, guys. Um, so yeah, guys, so we're just gonna highlight our highest point, which is this one. Just gonna highlight our highest point. Then we're gonna highlight this point because the market is trending on that point, right? Then I'm gonna outline this point because it could be a possible reversal. But I mainly want to focus on what's happening inside of our zone right here. So we do have that zone. So now we're gonna push down to the 4 hour time frame, right? Gonna push down to the 4 hour time frame. So once we come to the 4 hour time frame, what do we see, right? We see that the market formed some kind of a resistance right there, right? The market formed a resistance right there, and then we do have this trend line right here, right? Which represents, guys, this thing it represents, right? It's market structure. We call this market structure, right? So after that, we just do what we did to the top, also to the bottom, and then we danko, just like that, guys. So we push down to the 1 hour time frame, guys. If you guys want to know how I analyze, guys, make sure you join the free group by clicking the link in the description below so you guys can see my daily analysis, right? That's it, guys. That's it. That's round about it. You know, this thing is easy. So sharp. So now that we are at the 1 hour time frame, we're actually going to be looking closely into the market, right? And what we can see on the market is that the market formed some kind of a support here before it can move. And I can tell you that I know why the market moved like this, right? And I gave out this signal on the groups. It's just you guys don't want to join the groups, right? But why I gave out this signal is, remember, the market came where's the thing, the market came down here with volatility. This zone here stopped a volatile movement, right? And then it created a what? This zone right here created another volatile movement, and then it was consolidating. It came down volatilely. So I don't know, it came down with volatility, guys. So once it came down here and it started rejecting, I saw, no, it's time to enter our buying opportunities. And I know that this thing might buy till this zone somewhere here, guys. Like CPI could push the market to the upside. Why am I saying so? Because it's simple that also the market structure, um let me just fix this, guys. Also, the market structure is showing us a buy, right? The market structure is showing us a buy, right? But what we're going to use to confirm that buy is actually now the trend line, which is now going to be our guide on moving from this market, right? So what do we have here? Let me just reset this chart again, right? What do we have here? So we do have support right here, right? We do have support there. Let me just fix this. We do have support there. And then central, we're going to control. We do have support right there, right? So what am I looking for the market to do? I'm looking for the market to bounce back on this area, give us a proper retest, and then I'm going to be taking my buying opportunities, knowing that the market is going to hit to the upside, right? It's going to shoot to the upside. So we're going to be melting in blues, guys. So we're just going to target there, small target. That one is for London session, guys. That one is for London session. So we're just going to target it like that. And that's perfect, guys. So obviously now we know that on US30 we are looking for buying opportunities, right? We are looking for buying opportunities unless something has to change, right? Unless the market, let's say, unless the market decides that it's gonna drop, right? If the market can give us, I'm not lying to you guys, if it can give me a drop back into that zone, right? Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So let me just push to the 30-minute time frame, right? 30-minute time frame, I'm gonna hit reset, right? And then I'm gonna remove whatever is here, right? And then I'm gonna remove this two. right? So what I'm saying is that if the market can give me a pass on the zone, I know that there was a fake out. I'm going to wait for my retest and take my sells. But now you have to be very curious when it comes to also taking those selling positions, because remember, this zone once pushed the market, this zone once stopped a movement. So the market could basically just come down to this point to push to the upside. You guys know fundamentals also have two spikes, you know, people spikes that people consider as manipulation. Well, it's not really manipulation. What the market does is that, remember, news is just volatility, guys. News creates volatility. Market structure moves. Sorry, guys. Sorry for that. The market structure actually moves the market. You understand what I'm saying? So if we can check what happens about what's going to happen on US30 is basically the market might sell. If it comes back below here, I'm not lying to you guys. I am expecting it maybe to spike down or for the whole day for it to sell and then for it to spike up. You understand? But I am looking for buyers if it's still above the zone. You know, I am looking for buying opportunities, right? But that's possibly what could happen. The market could also like spike up, spike down to retest and then push to the upside. That's possibly what could happen, right? But then us in the mentorship, we're going to know what to do, guys. Me and my students, if you want to join the mentorship, make sure, guys, make sure you check the WhatsApp number down below, get my contacts, and you DM me on WhatsApp. So let's push to gold, guys. So on US30, I gave you guys my perspective, right? So for that, okay, let's push to the daily time frame. Push to the daily time frame, right? So on gold, it's very tricky because now you see it's not really that tricky because the market could just continue buying, guys. There's nothing that's saying the market should stop buying. So on gold, you can just like be getting your proper buys if the market doesn't show you any sign of sales. But we've outlined all the zones that are important to us, guys. We're pushing to the 4-hour time frame. Once we come to the 4-hour time frame, we're gonna reset the chart. Once we can reset the chart like this, we can now see that if you zoom in to the market, right, you're going to see that the market actually is forming some kind of a zone right here, right? So just hold on, guys. Let me just show you. So we have something like that, right? That's what I can see. So I'm just going to outline it while it's still on the higher time frame. So when we go to the H4, actually to the H1, we're just going to see what's happening, right? So we do have a zone like that one, right? What pushed the zone? It's this low. So we are going to be taking that low because it's the one that pushed that zone, right? So we do have some kind of like a break of structure nyana. So what I can see is that basically on gold, right? When it comes to gold, I think because the market is pushing down with volatility and it's pushing up slowly, it's probably gonna give us some cells to create the double bottom, right? Which is this one, to create this double bottom here, create this double bottom, and then probably the market would give us some proper buys on CPI, right? Also forming that W formation, right? But then not about that. The thing is, guys, that the market could just manipulate. So what it could do is it could basically just keep on correcting to the upside, keep on correcting to the upside, and then give us our selling opportunities, right? And then maybe we might expect the market to, what is this? To give us a buy to form the triple touch there, which is the, you know, guys, the triple touch formation, which is that one. And then obviously we could possibly see the market, you know, coming down to the zone, right? I'm just saying, guys, it's just, I'm just saying. So guys, let's get this video at least. So if you guys didn't get the direction, we could be buying from here or we could be selling from here. You know, it depends on where the market is before CPI, guys. I hope you guys got that direction, right? But if you guys want the signal, just make sure you join the free signals group, guys. It's free. The signal is gonna be shared, guys. You know the vibes. So yeah, guys, like I said, if you guys want to trade with the broker that I'm using, make sure you sign up under my link. So go click my link in the description below. The benefits of signing up under my link, guys, is that your withdrawals will be faster, right? You won't have manipulations. Your spreads will be tighter, right? it's better for you to sign up under my link is for you to just go to the site, search trade 245. Then you're just a normal client, right? At least if you have problems, you can come back to me saying, Uncle Nasdaq, this and this and this, and I'm gonna help you, right? Let's get this video at least to 30 likes, guys, so I can drop a video on the CPI strategy that I use, right? If you guys want me to talk about my CPI strategy and to show you guys how I trade CPI and Nasdaq and all, not Nasdaq, CPI, NFP, FOMC, all the fundamentals, right? Just make sure you get this video to 30 likes and comment down which part was your best about this video, right? If you learned something, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get the channel to 2,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I'll catch you guys on another video. Danko.